Hey guys, another week, another game dev vlog, and this week made some pretty good progress on Everybody Edits Universe and my own projects. So to start off with, on Everybody Edits Universe, we did finally manage to get another update out for the game, and it introduced the local switches, doors, resetters, all that. If you're familiar with Everybody Edits, they're like the purple switches. So those systems are all there. They seem to be working pretty well, and people seem to be pretty happy with them. Some of the graphics may be changing. The switches overall look pretty good, though we still have some work to do when it comes to differentiating between the global ones, which will be coming soon, and these ones. So maybe there will be colors, maybe not, maybe there'll be icons on them, I don't know. Open to suggestions, but we'll be figuring that out over this week, because I'd like to get another update out that will bring the global switches and doors, coin doors most likely, and probably a few other blocks and maybe UI changes. So things are definitely moving along. We're getting back into the swing of things. John has been working a lot on server related stuff, going through and figuring out how things work, and kind of picking up where Luke left off with the server rework, because that's going to be a big step in bringing new functionality like the long-awaited shop and other functionality like that. So should hopefully be coming fairly soon. I'm pretty sure it's going to take at least another few weeks or so, probably a bit more than that. But in the meantime, we're going to be getting new blocks and other functionality out, so that should be pretty cool. But anyway, I've of course also been working on my own projects, namely the game based on Cyberhack and See No More, which I still have no name for. And with that game, I've implemented pretty much all the systems to do with the windowing system for the game. So you can open up windows, resize, move them around, you can maximize, you can minimize, you can pull them back up, you can focus on them, you can close them, they can have titles, they can have buttons in the top left, they reposition and resize themselves when the game changes size, and all that kind of stuff. So generally speaking, that side of things is pretty much done. So this week I'm going to be actually working on a lot of stuff to do with the apps in the game. I have a basic app system, but now that I do have that foundation, I'm ready to implement the systems for the web browser or the file explorer, and that's going to be pretty cool to see it all come together, because those are the foundational blocks of what the game is going to be like. It's based in that desktop system. Yeah, a lot of the gameplay is going to be puzzles because it is a puzzle game, but this is the stuff that makes the experience very memorable and unique, because most games aren't set in a desktop environment. So anyway, obviously a lot more to do on that game. It's got a long ways to go until it's even ready for the Steam page launch, hopefully later this month. We're in June now. And of course, relating to that, we're coming up on the 3-year anniversary of me doing these vlogs on the 4th. It is definitely interesting looking back at all that time that's passed and seeing what has changed and what things I've learned during that time. I've still got a long ways to go, and there's a lot that I want to change very, very soon, and I'm already working on that. I'm wrapping up projects, I'm phasing certain things out, starting up things fresh, and reorienting and figuring out where I'm going to be going over the next few years, both with life in general and, of course, my projects, my games, my music, films, everything else that I want to be doing. But anyway, that is going to have to be it for today, so as always, I do want to thank the contributors over on the Lightwell Studios Patreon. If you want to check it out for yourself, link is down in the description below, along with the link to the Everybody Edits Universe Patreon. If you can help support that project and get some rewards in return, that would be greatly appreciated. But yeah, I'll see you around. Goodbye.